Welcome to the next part of the Weekend Dev Challenge 48. So in this particular part, we'll be seeing In-Memory URL Shortener API. So the main objective is to build a backend application that accepts a long URL via an API request and then generates a short code for that and then stores the mapping in memory. So basically this short code belongs to this particular long URL. So once if you try to enter that same long URL, it gives the short code automatically and then redirects the user to that short URL. So yeah, let us start. First is basically in-memory database. So we have a URL store which maps with the string, which maps two strings, and then we have to define the JSON input and output. So input is basically original URL and output should be a short code. So then we have to generate a secret, a random 66 character string out of the all the string this thing provided, characters from A to Z lower case, and then characters from A to Z uppercase, and then 1 to 0 to 9. We have to make a list of empty array which is of size 6 empty list, and then we have to loop it randomly, so it selects a random and then adds it to that particular list. So then after that, so here we have the short code ready. So now we have to takes the short handler, takes the long URL and creates a short code. So this short handler function takes a long URL as the input, and then it tries to decode it and then convert it into short URL. So if something goes wrong, it says error and then says invalid JSON payload, and then if not, then it says original. If it is empty, then it says original URL is required. You can't submit empty, and then again after that it calls generate code function. So basically this 6-digit generate code, and then it should save the mappings. But that is basically this particular code belongs to this original URL. So then it should map properly. So then after that, we have the shorten response. So basically, whatever that code is there, particular code, that is a shortened form of that. So we have to set the headers and success status code. So basically, once we set the header, and then the success status saying HTTP status is created. So then after that, basically redirecting the when the user clicks on the short URL, it should redirect to the original website. So basically, how do we do that? Is basically, it is given here. Look up in the memory and then map it to that particular URL. If it is not found, then it says 404 short URL not found. So yeah, these are basic stuff. Then it says handler function, that is post and then get. So basically, post is for posting, and then get is for try to extract something from the server. So then it says server running on 8080 port, and then let me run the program. I hope you have understood it is quite simple as. So yeah, let me enter this URL only. So I'll just enter it and then click on shorten URL. So where is my shortened? Yeah, you can see my shortened URL. This is the 6-digit 3P7CNM. So I click on this. You can see the same thing opens in-memory URL shortener. So yeah, let me submit the program. So test case if passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.